Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is Nifty's weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series, Nifty expiry special analysis. In the previous video, as I said, if Nifty opens above 15,600 and if Nifty sustains there, we'll see upside till 15,700 and the same thing happened. And you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen. And before we start today's video, I want to make an announcement. Soon on our channel we will upload one video and in that video I will teach you top bottom strategy. Top bottom strategy is one of the most simplest trend following strategy and you can make easy money with that. You don't have to sit in front of screen, and many trainers charge around 15,000 rupees to teach you that simple strategy, but on our channel we'll teach you that for free, but that will be a private video and you have to open your trading account with us to get access to that video. So if you want to know more about that, you can message me and I have given the number in the description of this video. And let's start today's video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't and stay tuned. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart. As you can see, we saw a one-way rally, then correction, again a rally. Now we saw a correction today. So today we saw Nifty bouncing back from 15,575 levels, and the reason was we had a support there because Nifty, we saw a gap up opening here. So 15,560 will act as 15,575 will act as first support, and Nifty made a low till 15,566 and it bounced. And since Nifty have previous swing low here, 15,460 will act as second support for tomorrow's expiry. And last time we saw importance of 15,430 and 330 level. 15,430 was Nifty's previous all-time high and 15,330 was Nifty's previous swing high. So tomorrow 15,575 will act as first support and 15,430 to 15,460 will act as second support. And now let's analyze 5 minutes chart for tomorrow's expiry. So on 5 minutes chart, as you can see, Nifty was trading continuously at higher levels and there was a divergence, and after that we saw a steep fall. Then markets tried to recover but markets failed, and again we saw a fall coming, and again now markets tried to recover from day low. So if Nifty opens anywhere below 15,650, then we may see a sell off again. If Nifty opens between 15,650 to 600 and if Nifty breaks this level 15,600, we may see sell off coming, and first target will be around 15,560, and below 15,560 we may see around 15,460 levels coming. So if Nifty opens anywhere below 15,650 and above 15,600, so if Nifty opens in a range of 600 to 650 and if it breaks 15,600, we may see Nifty coming till 15,560, and below that it may go till 15,460. And now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now let's analyze Nifty's option chain, and Nifty closed around 15,635 and 15,600 put has 31 lakh 43,000 open interest, and we saw reduction in open interest by 2 lakh 9,000. So even though 15,600 put has 31 lakh open interest, but since we saw a reduction in open interest, we may see Nifty going below 15,600 tomorrow in intraday, and below 15,600 we have around 34 lakh open interest in 15,500 put. So 15,500 will act as one support for tomorrow's expiry. And on the top side, if we see 15,700 call has 47 lakh 76,000 open interest, and in that 19 lakh 54,000 was added today. So 15,700 will act as important resistance for tomorrow's expiry, and it will be very hard for Nifty to go above 15,700 tomorrow, and 15,800 has 53,88,000 open interest, and in that 14,69,000 was added today. So 15,800 will act as another resistance for tomorrow's expiry. So first support is at 15,500, and first resistance is at 15,700, and second resistance is at 15,800. And view for tomorrow's expiry is bearish, and we may see sell-off coming as discussed on chart. So if Nifty opens above 650 and sustains there, then we may see Nifty creating volatility and it may trade in a small range. But if Nifty opens anywhere below 15,650, then we may see another sell-off coming tomorrow. Put call ratio is at 1.112, and that's oversold, so you may expect short covering rally. And India VIX is below 15, and that's good sign because volatility is not high. And that's all for today's video. So if you liked my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.